What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. In this channel, I'll be talking about creative techniques and ways you can make your edits look professional. As this is the first video, we'll be talking about a simple technique which can be helpful for downloading YouTube contents. We'll be learning how to download a video from YouTube. So first things first, this is not a sponsored video. So we'll be using an app called 4K Video Downloader. So let's get into it. It's very simple. We just need to type in 4K Video Downloader in the search bar. And here you go. Click on the first link and it will lead us to the site where we download the app. Now, by running the DMG file, we get the transfer window. And as you can see, I already have the app in my system, so I don't need a replace. Now, we log into YouTube and search for a 4K video, so here it is. Just copy the video link. Shifting to the application, we click on the paste link option, and then it processes the link and requests the download in any format you prefer. I have fast forwarded the download because it's a 4K video and of course a long duration one. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, do give a like, subscribe and share it with your friends who are interested in some creative contents. I'll see you in the next video. So keep thinking, keep creating. Bye, everybody.